There are expectations that a vaccine for coronavirus will be available in the country by the beginning of next year, Union Health Minister Dr. Harshvardhan has said today. He also said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has been personally monitoring the COVID-19 situation in the country. India is making efforts just like other countries, the Health Minister told Rajya Sabha, adding that PM Modi is handling the COVID-19 meticulously. Moving on to the next news, one of the grandest palace hotels in Rajasthan was grossly undervalued and sold at a huge loss to the taxpayer in 2002, and former Union Minister Arun Shourie should be charged for it, a special CBI court has said. In a corruption case involving the sale of Lakshmi Vilas Palace Hotel in Udaipur, the court has asked for criminal cases against Arun Shourie, former bureaucrat Pradeep Baijal, and hotelier Jyotsna Suri. Moving on to the next news, Defence Minister Rajnath Singh, responding to a question by opposition in Parliament today, said no power on earth can stop the Indian Army from patrolling. The issue of dispute with China at the line of actual control in Ladakh was raised by the opposition, responding to whether Chinese are not allowing Indian soldiers to patrol traditional posts. He said, "That is the reason for our fight with China." Congress member A.K. Antony had raised the question of Indian soldiers being pushed back from traditional patrolling points, to which the defence minister was responding. The patrolling pattern is traditional and well defined. No power on earth can stop Indian soldiers from patrolling, Rajnath Singh told A.K. Antony, who is himself a former defence minister. Moving on to the next news, Yuan Wong, the Chinese-class research vessel, had entered Indian waters from Malacca Straits in August of this year, India Today reported. The ship was being constantly monitored by Indian Navy warships deployed in the region. This vessel returned to China a few days ago after being on the radar of the Indian Navy. It has been noted that Chinese research vessels have been cruising Indian waters regularly as a part of their efforts to acquire sensitive information about Indian maritime territory.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.
If you like this video, please share it, and we would love to hear your comments in the comments section down here. Also, please do like our Facebook page and follow us on Twitter to get minute-to-minute news updates. For more such shows and videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel.